Now let's see how RELab helps.
Alright, class, today we will learn how solar panels and wind turbines produce electricity.
After a few moments of lecture, some student want to ask a question. Let's hear it.
I still don't get how sunlight become power. We just see panel, but how?
Yeah, he's right, teacher. Also, I have never seen a wind turbine in my lifetime.
It seems like the student want to see how renewable energy work.
I understand it is hard to imagine from pictures alone. If only we had something that could show it for real.
Then, why not we use our RELab kit?
But today we have something special, our Hybrid Renewable Energy Kit. It shows how solar and wind work together to create electricity.
Now, let's see how this kit helps students understand better.
Wow, that's so cool. How does it work?
When light shines on this solar panel, see, the bulb turns on. And when I blow on the wind turbine, it spins and adds more power. Look at the OLED display. It shows the voltage and wind speed in real time.
Let's test a different light of brightness. Let's see, I try to make the switch on dim. So, as I can see here, the light intensity shows the light is dim right now, and we can see the solar output voltage.
So I will control the fan to see the wind speed. So I can see the wind speed, RPM, and the voltage output for the fan.
Great work! Now students can understand how renewable energy works.